Trading has transformed my life. Not only has it allowed me to go from hourly wage employee to trading stocks under my own LLC, making six figures from home, but it's unlocked my ability to spend the time I do have where I want to the most. My goal through this channel is to provide the guidance, information, resources, and tools that will be required for you to accomplish this career and life goal as well. I'll know I've fulfilled my mission through this channel the day someone sends me a message and says the time and effort I put into doing this has transformed not only their trading, but their lives as well. So I hope you stick around, hit the subscribe button, click around on some videos, and take that leap into achieving profitability as a trader so you too can experience the awesome feeling of financial freedom and are no longer forced to waste the time you've been given in this lifetime. And remember, I'm here for you guys. If you need a dedicated video on a topic or a more in-depth instruction, please feel free to let me know, and I'll be sure to deliver that in a timely manner just for you. I want to help each and every one of you reach profitability. That is my sole purpose in creating this channel. So please, enjoy.